Welcome, man. Welcome back to the channel. Jeep Grand Cherokee 2014. And what we're doing on this thing is a tune-up, man. Let's talk about tune-up. Specifically on this Hemi right here. Now, you know 16 spark plugs on a Hemi, right? Let me turn the camera around so y'all can see. There's 16 spark plugs. I already got this side here out. So nothing spectacular about doing a tune-up on these. You simply remove the coils. It's 10 millimeters on the coil. Pop the coil out, unscrew the spark plug, and you will have performed a tune-up. Now, that's because nowadays the word tune-up doesn't mean what it used to mean. You know what I'm saying? So nowadays the saying goes, you replace spark plug, you just did a tune-up. No, man, tune-ups are always bigger than that. There's of course, a lot of things you need to check for us maintenance-wise. Make sure your PCV valve is flowing properly. The throttle body, as you can see, that's dirty, so I'm gonna end up cleaning that out. I'm saying, and of course, we are replacing the spark plugs. I have 16 spark plugs there. Now, this tune-up or this particular car on the maintenance schedule, if you look on your maintenance schedule, you will see that they recommend the tune-up at 100,000 miles. This truck have 82, I think. I wouldn't necessarily wait for 100,000 miles to do my tune-up. Keep in mind, tune-ups really are needed to help restore peak performance. All right, we want that performance back, or we want to try to get it back the way it was when it was new. Now, that's going to be hard to do if you have a lot of miles on your car anyway, but you can do your part by replacing parts that wears out, specifically spark plugs. Okay, so I'm gonna finish this tune up. Ain't no sense in me filming this. Y'all know the drill. It's nothing to it. Take all your spark plug out. Like I said, I already removed this side. I'm getting ready to do this side. I'm gonna clean the throttle body out. I'll check the air filter, PCV valve system. It's gonna get an oil change. And one thing I want to mention at the end, always check, make sure, and see if this particular car you're working on have a flash update for drivability performance update. A drivability performance update. I can almost guarantee you mostly all of them do. Okay, so we want to make sure the computer's at the latest flash update, so you will any kind of updates available will be performed electronically through that flash update. All right, that's all I want to talk about, man. Just Hemi tune up, nothing to it. Replacing the plugs and checking a few things and cleaning up a few things. And at the end, we want to verify that the car is up to the latest and greatest software issues as far as drivability enhancement.